In this video, I will cut, color, and style the new look of Armin. This week, the K-pop group BTS released their new single, Like Butter. Jungkook with Eren's look, and jhope with Armin's look. From the anime series, Attack on the Titans. Armin, attack! To recreate this haircut, I will section the hair using this line to separate the undercut from the rest of the hair. Using the traditional razor technique, I will cut the sides on vertical sections from the top down. On the back of the head, I will continue the same technique. To detail the sides, I will use the razor with the comb, carving on the direction back that this style requires, to accommodate the hair on that direction. To create a crisp look on the sideburns, I will use the trimmers and the comb, cutting on a downward direction, and to clean around the ears, upward following the shape of the ear. This look has a straight line on the nape area, and a graduation that can be done with the clippers over comb. The secret to create this arch on the bangs is to condense all the hair on the center and cut it using the blade or the scissors. Like you see here, I got a perfect arch. To cut the sides, I will use a diagonal back to connect the bangs with the nape area on a V shape. Don't cut too much of the layers when the hair is wet. You can always cut some more when it's dry and you can see what is needed. To create the layers, I will cut by combing the hair at 90 degrees perpendicular from the head and using a 45-degree angles with my fingers. If you want more layers, you can cut at 90 degrees parallel to the curve of the head. Dry first the bangs forward using the flat brush if your hair is straight, or with the round brush if it's wavy. To tailor this haircut on dry, position the hair on the direction that is going to be styled, and using the thinning shears and with the direction of the style, take as much hair as needed to achieve the look. If you'd like to know which look I'm going to be doing next on the channel, follow me on Instagram so you can see what's coming up next, and it's very easy to look at all the styles that I have created on the channel. I have hundreds of requests from all of you guys for new videos. If any of your requests gets a lot of likes on any video, I will add it to the list. That will really help me out to create content that you guys want to see. So I'm ready. Let's see who has the best ideas. To add more movement and creating shorter layers, you can use this texturizing technique. Very cool. Now we need to create the anime color and give you guys some advice in case you like to do it. First, to bleach the hair, I will use up to 7 from Redken. I will mix it with peroxide of 40 volumes. For this mannequin, I deep bleach the whole head 2 times for 30 minutes. If your hair is very dark, it's always better to start from the ends and then do the roots. And in some cases, better don't do anything. Always consult with a professional for technical services. To achieve the anime look in yellow on this hair, I will use Satire from Pop Riot out of the Neo Pop collection. This is a direct dye with some great conditioning properties, ideal for bleached hair. 45 minutes will guarantee the best results. To dry the hair, I will use Glide to add some conditioning and reconstruction to the hair. Dry first the bangs forward using the flat brush. Wax by 1821 is perfect to achieve the anime looks and to define the pointed ends. Use the comb and this technique to define the bangs with wax. Thank you very much for all of you and your support on the channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it. I need you in the community. I promise you will like the content. And if you don't mind, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you're a professional barber or stylist, I'm going to be leaving a link on the description so you can see the full tutorial on this haircut. This is Angel del Solar going AOT.